Hangi koruma? Onların koruması mı?
First time, President,
İlk defa kullanıyorum senin.
no security.
Yani korumasız kullanıyorum.
Arkada koruma yok mu?
No bodyguards behind us.
All right.
Oh, there is a camera too.
Fatma'dan iyi koruma olur ha. Nasıl?
How do you like the design?
No, really, and you know everything there. Really, you can drive. Yeah. There's Turkish and there's also English. Yes.
Sana göre.
Just for you.
Yeah. I'm surprised you trust my driving.
Yani benim sevdiğim biraz şaşırdım diyorlar.
Vay.
Why should I be surprised?
I hardly drive,
Çok fazla araba kullanmadığım için.
and we drive a right hand.
Tabii senin sağ taraftasın. Sağda
So let's get off now. Hadi inelim gidelim.
In fact, Aziza asked me, "You really can't drive." I can when she doesn't trust me. No, because I drove when I was teaching at Georgetown in Washington. I drove, but very rarely.
My brother. Ses duyuyor musun?
My brother, you don't hear anything, right?
Yeah,
You hear anything? It's
really.
just quiet.
It's very quiet.
Evet, çok sessiz.
And you see the front.
Ya.
Fantastic.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.